Hello everyone, good morning. So after 3 days in the southern Cebu in province, so it means I sent home back in Minglanilla, Cebu here. So we're here in this one with Chess DJ Radios here. So we're here in this analyze in Norway Chess 2026, so it means round number 8. So what do you think about the wrong move with rooks here? So it means with resigns with blacks here. Without between with number 2 by Grandmaster China, Zhu battle against with first women champion Grandmaster China, Zhu Wenjun. So what do you think about the round number 8 here? So let's see of this one with play chess here. White against with number 2 Grandmaster Zhu in China versus with the black pieces with first women champion Grandmaster China, Zhu Wenjun within single round robin with 2 Rs here. So in this part of this videos here in this round number 8 here in Norway chess, and also have a analyze of the standings after round number 8 with women's edition here. So before we start, so don't forget by game number 4 by Chess Face to Face 2026 between me versus Reston here. So I will update here within soon here. Okay. So white play Zhu is e4. e5 by Zhu Wenjun, knight f3, knight c6, knight c3, 4 knights game without more of these 4 knights here with knight to f6 here. And also pawn d4 with attacks this pawn, captured by Zhu Wenjun, knight captured by Zhu Zhuner, and also bishop b4 with Zhu Wenjun without coming by castling. So next castling and bishop with pins with diagonals with dark square without check here. And also with knight captured by Zhu here, takes. Why captured? Because this is a with damage pull by weak ugliness pawn structure here. And also with Zhu is bishop d3 controls by this one. So found in this book line without upcoming by next castling here by Zhu here. So found in this book line by bishop d3. Pawn d5 book lines here with Zhu Wenjun here with upcoming by attacks this pawn. Without upcoming by attacks this pawn here, or next by this one with pushes by this one but strong by d4 here, and also with takes with Zhu pawn takes captured without upcoming by with strong with d4 here by decided with that idea by this one by Zhu Wenjun here. So it is called by this one with 4 knights game sketch variation accepted here. Without more of this one by continuation, so without creating by book line, so found in this book line here. Without castling kingside by Zhu castling by Zhu Wenjun, and also bishop g5 by Zhu without pins with diagonals with queens stab against that with the targets with that idea to threatening the knights here. With controls by this one with positional. And also with Zhu Wenjun is pawn to c6 defense by this one by Zhu Wenjun with c6, queen f3. Why is queen f3? Because the queen f3 by Zhu with bishop threatening the knight. So with that upcoming that double of this one with queens and bishop here. So with that creating by develops by solutions here. And h6 by Zhu Wenjun with that threatening the dark square here with bishop. Chooses if he backwards or captured. With Zhu bishop captured accepted. Queen takes captured, challenge without queen to queen, and accept by Zhu. Queen takes captured. Why captured? Because without ugliness damage weak pawn structure here. So with the found in this book line here, without upcoming by with double pawn structure with book lines here. Found in this book line. Knight e2 book lines here by Zhu. Or maybe without upcoming by next of knight to g3, next maneuver, or next knight f4. So realize here with that continuations with that idea with next maneuver. And also bishop d6 book lines with the book lines here, or maybe with bishop d6 with more controls with more of this one with diagonals here, or maybe here by this one with I don't know what's that. So it means diagonals. So diagonals here with targets against that with sacrifice here. So this is a 14 book lines here. And also knight d4 by Zhu. So I think no novelty with also that. So it means knight d4. So knight d4 is a not yet novelty. So knight d4 book lines here by Zhu. And also c5. Okay, with c5 with threatening the knights here. And also knight f5 threatening the bishop. Okay, with threatening. Or maybe with knights here with Jugener, with upcoming by this one threatening the bishop and threatening the pawns with that continuous with check. Without upcoming by this one with double bishop and pawns here. Bishop captured here, so this is a new move against with first women world champion. Without all main lines here with a year of with 1981 here is bishop to e5 pin with rooks here. With according with the year of 1981 old main lines here. So with that also that the new move here, bishop captured new move with first women champion. So this is a novelty. So creating by this one with bishop captured f5, so it means not found in this book line. So it means book disappearance here with Zhu and Jun. And Jugener is bishop captured here. And also rook fe8 controls against that to realize, so this is a more of this one with rook here. And also rook ad1 by Jugener, or maybe without idea with threatening the pawns and bishop with pins against that with doubles here with rook d5 here. And also push d4 controls against strong move against with Zhu and Jun here. And also b3 without b3 controls against with Jugener here. I don't know what's the realize here with pawns with movement here. And also rook e5 controls by Zhu and Jun without idea threatening the bishop and upcoming by battery. Without idea with Zhu and Jun first women champion, so it means creating by this one with devils here against with rook here. And also with bishop backwards d3 by Jugener here. And also bishop c7, so it means so opposite color bishop here. So this is a opposite color bishop, so slightly opposite here because this is a light square and dark square here. Bishop b5 by this one, this controls by Jugener. And also rook b8 by Zhu and Jun with the idea to disturbance the bishop going out against with targets with bishop here. And going out, or maybe a4, a4. So not going out, so it means pawn a4. With defense of devils the bishop here. And also bishop a5 without movement by Zhu and Jun, so does not like of this computer engine by move by first women world champion. So the best move is king g7 property active. So according this one by computer, so this is a good for black's advantage here. So back there, bishop a5 mistake move against with Zhu and Jun here. And also rook d3 good move against that with Jugener here. And also rook b7. Without idea with upcoming with battery. Without movement here by Zhu and Jun here with controls here. And also rook f3. Okay, what's the plans here by Jugener? With the idea of free pawns attacks. With attacks these pawns here. And also king g7 develops the pawns against with Zhu and Jun here. And also rook g3 check. King f8 with Zhu and Jun, and also bishop to d3. Okay, very controls against that. To realize to backwards against with bishop here by Jugener number 2 here. Battery rook be7 with controls to realize here, or maybe with the controls by battery here, so double by rooks here, or maybe with that idea, so it means with rook to e6 to controls by devils here, or maybe here by rook e1 with more of this one with bishop controls the rooks here, defense by devils here with triple against devils by situations here. And also with Jugener is rook h3 to disturbance by this one with threatening the pawns here, so going out by pawns. King g7 develops by Zhu and Jun, and f4 good move against threatening the rooks. Rook e3 challenged by rook to rook, avoided by Jugener. So with that idea, for example, why don't we continue rook captured? It's okay. If you rook captured e3 captured, oh no. So with captured here, with the continuations here, and also with bishop to e2, blocking against without pawns here. So we realize here with the bishop backwards, so cannot cannot move against with pawns because this is a shield against with block against with bishop here. So this is a good once of this computer engine here. So it means, so why Jugener avoided rook h5. So cannot capture against that with more of this one here, or maybe with the idea with rooks with threatening the pawns. So threats the pawns with free pawns against that, and also with bishop b4 develops the pawns against that by Zhu and Jun here, and also rook d5 good controls against that with Zhu Junior here, and also pawn to a5 by Zhu and Jun, and also pawn g3. Okay, so this is a good provides here with a pawn g3 against that to develops by Su Swang against by Zhu Junior here. Rook 3 e6 battery backwards against with Zhu and Jun here, and also king g2 good provides here, so good move against king must be active by force move, and also rook b6 controls by develops the bishop, and also rook f2. So realize here to protect against king without rooks with castling. Rook bb7 controls by 7th rank against Zhu and Jun, and also rook e2 provides by challenge by rook to rook. Rook e6, what? One move against with controls. So it means so rook e6, what move? So what one move against that? So Zhu and Jun, why one move? Without continuous here, without explain for example, so why don't we try if you rook captured accepted? If you rook captured here, bishop captured. So this is a good provides here. According this one, so this is a more of this one with continuous, with slightly opposite color bishop here. So differentiate against that by solution. So it means, but that idea is rook e6, why one move against that by Zhu and Jun. King h3, okay, king h3 provides by this one by king must be active by Zhu Junior. Battery, rook be7, good provides by battery. Avoided rook f2. So it means if you captured by rook captured accepted here, and also with captured by f6 captured, threatening the rook. So threatening the rooks here, and where do you move here? Rook d8. So good provides here against solutions here. So this is a goods for examples slightly better here once at this computer engine here. So without back there, this one is rook f2 good provides here by Zhu Junior. So without ignorance, so cannot captured by rook captured accepted here. Rook e3 good move without provides by strong move against with Zhu and Jun, and also king g4 with the idea to move side against that with king must be active here. So king must be active to move against that. So this is a force move against with Zhu Junior here. Bishop e1, okay, this is a provides. So bishop e1 by Zhu and Jun with going out by tempos attacks that targets the rooks here. And also rook f1 with the idea to sacrifice with idea with threatening the bishop. Sacrifice here by Zhu Junior. Go back, rook b4 by this one dark square by Zhu and Jun here. And also with bishop c4 with backwards with avoided by this one by Zhu Junior. Rook e2, what happened? so it means rook e2. So this is the problems by angry by Stockfish here. Why move rook e2? This is a wrong move. without angry by Stockfish by computer. So rook e2, what happened? So it is sacrifice or not? So it means, okay, without first guessing puzzle here, the finding of this move, what do you think about the realized with best against once of this computer engine? So it means rook e2. So this is a correct or wrong? So I will first tips for the guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. So the best move of the ones of this computer engine here is rook to 7 Rook to 7 e4. So rook 7 e4 is a best move. So it means, so this is a more of this one with strong move against with battery here. So we realize here, so according this one, so once of this computer engine, so good slightly better once of this computer here with stockfish. So this is a correct move here. So it means, why you move rook e2? What happened to you, Ju Wenjun? So it means, so this is a problem by angry by stockfish. So it means this is a wrong move. So rook e2. So it is about not sacrifice. So realize here by with none of this one with continuations here. And decided by this one with idea by number 2 Zhugener. Boom! Bishop captured rook. 1 rook down against first women champion. So rook 1 rook down against by Ju Wenjun here. Rook captured. Oh no. Oh no. Without a realize here, or maybe by rook with Ju Wenjun threatening the pawns and double. Without c3, c2, or maybe c2 or h2 with doubles with attacks the pawns here. So it means, so this is a more of control, so double rooks against with Zhugener versus dark square bishop and this one the rooks here. So realize here with the continuations by solution. So it means I realized by this one without, or maybe without, when I was in child by this one by since first year. So I thought the rook captured here. So realized the rook captured by playing by this one by computer. So it means rook captured. I thought the bishop captured rook. So this is a very wrong here. So let's continue rook captured e2 by Ju Wenjun here. And also h4. Okay, without h4 by this one by Zhugener. Rook captured pawn. Okay. So rook captured c2 with Ju Wenjun. And also rook f3. Without movement by this one, with develops the pawns, so this is a bad move. So that's not like of this computer engine by with movement. So the best move this one is rook d8 once of this computer. So according this one by computer, so this is a good for advantage for whites here by Zhugener. So I thought wrong names here. So Zhugener is a white pieces here. So back there, this one is rook f3 by Zhugener and also rook e2 by Ju Wenjun. So the best move is rook c3. So this is a good continuation here. With that rook c3 by challenge by this one by rook to rook here. So it means, so if you pawn to f5, okay, with pawn f5 with here, and also with king f8. So king f8 here, and also with rook d7. Okay, rook d7 here. Okay, rook d7 is a continuation here. So according this one by etc. So this is a good for advantage for blacks here with Ju Wenjun. So rook e2, so this is a brand X move by this one by Ju Wenjun here. And also rook d8, good move against that with a realized by focusing by this one by Zhugener. So almost by this one by 55 minutes plus 34 seconds by Zhugener. And lowest 8 minutes plus 29 seconds by Ju Wenjun. So this is a concentration, so very hard with a chess here. So realize, so difficulties against with playing with chess here. So rook d8 by Zhugener. Bishop c3 controls by develops the pawns. And also rook c8 without controls with idea with rooks threatening the pawns and with pins against that with bishop here. And also bishop b4 go back against develops by Ju Wenjun with pawns. King f5, good provides here by this one by Zhugener here. And also rook e1. Okay, rook e1. So what the plans here, or maybe by with idea by Ju Wenjun rook b1 with threatening the pawns here. So it means rook e1 with controls by this one by Ju Wenjun. Pawn g4. Okay, what the plans by Zhugener? Oh, with g5 to strong move against with pawns with Sukswang here. Rook d1. What? Why rook d1? So it means, or maybe with controls here, so it means rook b1. So it means rook b1 here. movement here by this one by examples. So it means with Zhu and Jun idea, rook d1. g5 by Zhu and Jun. Captured, captured, captured. Rook g3. Okay, good precise here by Zhu. So with a strong evaluation bar. So it means so do not capture this pawn. So this is a rook pins with check here. So this is a tempos attacks that check. Pawn d3 against with pushes by Zhu and Jun here. And also rook captured with check. King h7 and also rook h5 check. And also king g7. So provides here by this one by continuations. Okay, the second puzzle, what do you think with that last move with shot with number 2 by Zhu before resigns by first women champion? So second guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook CH8 check battery upcoming by with mating net. So resigns by first women world champion. So why she resigns here? So it means so without movement by this one with D2 only move by this Zhu and Jun here. And with Matika Bing, boom, rook 5 h7, Matika Bing, mating net. So it means murder with her massacre. Okay, so it means black loss of this game here. Okay, awesome. What an awesome win by Zhu number 2. Congratulations here. So the score by Zhu 93.9 and 85 score with Zhu and Jun. Okay, so let's see of this one with final results here without standings with Norway chess women's after round number 8. Okay, without 50.5 points by Grandmaster with her boyfriend with Javusky Sindarov is Bibisara Asabayev in Kazakhstan, and second by 10.5 points by Grandmaster in Ukraine Anna Musichuk with siblings with sister of Maria Musichuk, and 10 points by third by Grandmaster in India Divya Deshmukh. And my favorite players, 4 placer, 10 points with Grandmaster Zhu, 9 points by this one by Grandmaster Zhu and Jun with by first women world champion, and 6 last of this 8 points by Grandmaster India Hampi Conero here. Okay, without next of this one, I will choose of this game with champion against with Grandmaster in Kazakhstan is Bibisara Asabayeva. So I will choose 2 games analyzed here with next game. Okay, so I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka IconMark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and don't forget by notification bells here below here with subscribe by Mark Luagi 17 Part 1 English only, and Mark Luagi 17 Part 2 with Tagalog and Cebuano. So it means don't forget by views and like of this one with comments here. So keep updates of this next chess updates. Happy Monday and bye-bye.